Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the error, domain is locked at the current registrar, which appears when you try to transfer a domain to Hostinger from another provider like Godaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains. Let's fix it step by step. Why this error appears. When you try to transfer a domain name to Hostinger and you see domain is locked at the current registrar, it means your domain is still locked at the old registrar, like Godaddy, Namecheap, BigRock, or others. For security, all domain providers keep domains locked by default to prevent unauthorized transfers. To move the domain, you'll first need to disable the transfer lock at your current registrar, and 60 days should have passed since registration or transfer. So let's begin. Here at first, I have shown how to transfer from Godaddy to Hostinger. In this example, I'm trying to transfer a Godaddy domain to Hostinger, and I'm getting this same error. Here's how to unlock it. Go to godaddy.com and log in. Click on My Products. Scroll to the domain you want to transfer. Click Manage Domain. Find the option called Domain Lock. If it's on, turn it off. Now your domain is unlocked for transfer. After this, go back to Hostinger and try entering the domain again. You should now be able to proceed with the domain transfer process. Other registrars with similar steps. This same error and fix applies to other domain registrars too. Namecheap. Log in, go to Domain List. Click Manage, unlock domain under Sharing and Transfer. Google Domains. Go to domains.google.com. Select your domain, disable domain lock in registration settings. BigRock, Bluehost, HostGator. Log into your dashboard. Find the domain lock setting and turn it off before transfer. Optional. Get the authorization code. After unlocking, most registrars will also give you an EPP code or transfer key. You'll need to enter this in Hostinger to complete the domain transfer. So don't forget to request the authorization code from Godaddy, Namecheap, or whichever domain registrar you're transferring from. Final steps on Hostinger. Once the domain is unlocked, go to Hostinger, Domains, Transfer Domain. Enter the domain name, provide the EPP code, proceed with the transfer and payment. That's it. The domain will now transfer from your old registrar to Hostinger with turning off domain lock at your old domain provider like Godaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains, or BigRock. Unlock the domain, get the transfer code, and retry the process in Hostinger. Your domain will begin transferring immediately once this is done. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you're stuck. I'll try to reply quickly. Check other videos on our channel for Hostinger tutorials, domain transfer tips, and more.